Just using my art skills to draw our coffee nut.
That's a rough sketch, right?
Hola amigos, to the original gangsters, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Those clicks do wonders for the channel, so it would be really appreciated if you do. We are back in the kitchen. This is where it all began. This is where all the renovations started. And when I designed this kitchen, one of the things that I left space for was a coffee nook. Now, I'll be completely honest with you. I'm not a massive coffee aficionado, but I love the smell of coffee. My wife loves coffee, and I love going into a cafe, like a bit of a specialty shop dedicated to coffee. Hopefully we can take those elements, put them all together, have something that comes out nicely in our kitchen. Let's get to the build. If there's any time in there where you think, oh, maybe I wish you did this, I wish you did that, leave a message down in the comments. For those coffee purists, turn this video off right now. For those that are into a little bit of the specialty coffee, a little hack that I use, because as I mentioned, I'm not a coffee aficionado. Oatly chocolate milk replacing the regular milk. Boom, mind blown. You're welcome. Enjoy. All right, that's a wrap on the coffee nook. Hope you enjoyed that one. Mama makes a great coffee. We'll see you in the next one, everybody.